남동생, 남동생. What does this term mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 남동생. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 264. 남동생. 남동생. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is nam, second syllable is dong, and third syllable is seng. Pronounce it with me. 남동생. 남동생. The term 남동생 means younger brother. Again, it means younger brother. We have already discussed the term Dongsaeng in this channel, but this time we made it specific. So this is a Korean term used to call a sibling, a younger sibling that is a boy. Take note that the term 남동생 is actually the combination of 남자 and 동생. 남자 is also already discussed on this channel. It means man, and 동생 means a sibling or a younger sibling. So when these two are combined, it becomes 남동생. How do we write 남동생 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. The first syllable, nam, is written by drawing first a nian character, followed by an a character, followed by a miam character. The second syllable, dong, is written by drawing first a dikit character, followed by an o character, followed by an iyang character. And for the last syllable, seng, we need to draw first a siyot character, followed by an e character, followed by an iyang character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables, 남동생, to form the hangul of the word 남동생. Again, remember that nam came from the word namja, so it's a man. So when you say 남동생, it pertains to a younger sibling that is a man or a boy. And with that, you've just learned 남동생. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 254 to 263. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 264, 남동생, which means younger brother. Word number 263, the first word for our review is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다. This is a formal way of saying delicious. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means ate or the past tense of eat. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went or the past tense of go. Word number 259 is 날씨, which means weather. Word number 258 is Cheonmaneyo, which means good, and this is used to express surprise or admiration. Word number 257 is 하십니까. This is a formal way of asking why. Word number 256 is Janwahe. This is an informal way of saying call me. Word number 255 is 왜요. This is a polite way of asking why. And then the last word for our review, word number 254, 안 가요, which means to not go or not going. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.